Another training day. It's like going to be in the high 80s, 90s for the next week, so the sugar beet harvest isn't kicking off until like the 7th or 8th as of now. But you get stay pay, 4 hours a day, money. Saturdays you get time and a half for 4 hours, and Sundays you get double time for not working. So works for me. I'll go do some fishing. But we're headed to Piler 2 right now to do a little more training. Here's the Piler. I'm excited for this. It's going to be a good time. I think they're going to train me on one of those bobcats.